Hi, this is John with WTI, and having the opportunity to get or to have a Galaxy Watch S4, it's a good option when it comes to being replaceable with bands. So from time to time, I like to use bands that are gonna be more comfortable. But when I like to get fancy, this metal bands like this one is great. So one of the things that I like from this is it gives you this formal feeling that you can wear with a suit like I would do, or when I'm trying to go into a more formal states. And this band actually is real well built. It's built like a tank. And one of the things that I like the most from these bands is how easy it's just to adjust it to your wrist level. It already has like a little screwdriver that it will take out some of the compartments of this band and it will adapt it to your own wrist. So if you're really trying to look more fancy, look nice when it comes to having these nice outfits and measure with your bands, this one is really good. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.